The Adidas Samba Snakeskin Pack delivers a daring twist on a heritage classic, presenting two sneakers with textured snakeskin finishes in brown and green. Highlighted by gum soles, gold Samba branding, and contrasting accents, the design pushes the fashion-forward side of the Samba while nodding to Adidas' history. This release also ties to Wales Bonner's past collaborations, like her Gazelles, soccer cleats, and even a buzzed about unreleased Snakeskin Samba from 2024. Bonner previously hinted at the theme through her sequined Karintha, which mimicked reptile scales, but the new pack fully embraces the exotic aesthetic. Launching first in Europe before heading to the US, the pairs combine streetwear energy with luxury-inspired flair. With this striking mix of bold design and cultural connection, sneaker enthusiasts and collectors are offered a fresh chance to elevate their rotation.